Hi everyone, welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am sharing with you this simple and vibrant flash cake. I made this for my grandson's birthday and he actually is having a Spider-Man party but wanted a flash cake. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put it all together. I've started with a 6-inch vanilla cake, and because I've done a 6-inch, I am actually doing 4 layers to make this a bit on the taller side. So I'm just going to fill in the layers with some American buttercream, and I believe I have this, yes, on a 10-inch cake board. I like to have that extra space on my cake board because, generally that's where I put my birthday message. So here I'm just kind of filling in, and I did, if you saw that there, I did take a toothpick and just poke a couple of holes in my layers, and that's just to release any air that might be trapped in there, so that when this cake is put together and filled in, if it gets soft, it won't, that buttercream won't kind of push out the sides. The air will be able to release in the cake. Our weather is pretty warm here right now, so there is a big chance if this cake is outside that the icing will get pretty warm. So I do want it to stay, very well together and stable. So I'm just giving it a nice crumb coat here, and then I'm going to pop it in the fridge to chill. Now, while the cake is chilling, I'm going to take some red fondant here, and I'm just going to roll it out to start on that flash symbol. So I'm going to take one of my circle cutters and just cut out a circle in the red, and then of course I am going to also bring out some white as well along with this yellow, and I'm going to roll out the white and cut a smaller circle and just place that inside the red circle. And with the yellow, I'm going to roll it out and cut that lightning bolt. And I'm just kind of freehanding this here. I know I have a little template for this because I've done a flash cake before, but I would never be able to find it at this moment, unfortunately. So like I said, I've kind of freehanded this and then attached the pieces with a little water and got that flash symbol ready. And now my cake is chilled, so I'm just going to shave that little bit of extra off the edges that I didn't smooth down before I chilled it. And then I'm going to take some of that buttercream and go ahead and put a final coat on this cake. I'm starting at the bottom first. I kind of like to start at the bottom because I always seem to have a problem getting enough around the bottom of my cakes. Usually I have to kind of go back and fill in, a little bit more after. But, and this cake, like I said, is on the taller side. So here I'm going to just take my bench scraper and kind of smooth down. And you see there, I am having to fill in and put some more buttercream on the bottom. Not quite sure why that always tends to happen to me, but anyway, I have filled it in good, and I'm going to smooth it down real nice, and then I will, of course, pop this back in the fridge so that it can chill some more. So here we go, and our cake is chilled, and you see I'm shaving the edges off. Sometimes I will, instead of smoothing that down, just kind of shave those edges off after I bring it out of the refrigerator, just to give it the nice clean look on the sides. And here I have put some red and yellow buttercream in my piping bag, and I'm just piping a simple shell border around the bottom and the top of the cake, and in kind of a larger size just to give it a good proportion of buttercream. And I've put that symbol on the front and my little flash man on the top. And now our cake is complete, and like I said, this is a pretty simple design that you can incorporate really into any theme that you're doing. Please let me know what you think about this in the comments. I love hearing from everybody, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos.